We are now starting the cutting of ribbon. The board of directors, the vice chairman of Task Force Elite, Sir Rich Cabayao. We have Ma'am Susan De La Cruz, the consultant of TFK Elite 888, TESDA. We have representative from TFKI Mindanao. Mindanao ko man.
Ay, si Sir. Dito din kayo, Sir.
Sir, dito po tayo. Kuya. And the representative from the Philippine National Police, from the Mayor's Office. Suporta po yan sa ginagawa nating cutting of ribbon today po. Harinawa, mabigyan ng good luck
Ma'am Nancy,
ang school na ito na maraming matutulungan in the near future po. We have the staff of the school. Hello naman po dyan.
1, 2, 3.
ito po yung first cutting ribbon.
Computer System Servicing. NC2 po yan. Another one, we have the Organic Agriculture Production. NC2 rin po. Sa likod, meron pa tayo sa likod yung carpentry natin. Okay. Pupunta tayo sa likuran para makita natin buong view ng school. Every classroom mayroong sariling comfort room.
Maganda pa? Oo, maganda. So, maganda. Pag sinabi, isang milyon pala pa.
Ito yung school office. Administrator. Dito.
Okay, another comfort room po. We have the school office. Ayan po. Administrator's room. Faculty room. Kompleto. Ito parang lounge natin dito. Sala po. Then we have here at the back yung carpentry room natin. Ayan po. And we are starting to cut the ribbon para sa carpentry po. We have trainers resource area, carpentry NC2. 1, 2, and 3. Congratulations. As you can see, kompleto po tayo. Mga armchair po. We have the quality control area. Nakasegregate lahat yung support service area. Learning resource area, contextual learning laboratory. And we have the tool room. Sa ganitong area ng school, thousands and thousands of jobless people mabibigyan ng chance na makapagtrabaho, matulungan ang kanilang pamilya. Out of school youth, and also all members of Task Force Kasanag International Incorporated as one of the beneficiary of this program. Again, magandang salamat, magandang araw po at maraming salamat. Ito po yung ating Director for Operation Mindanao Task Force Kasanag. Director for Operation, success po tayo. May God bless us all. Thank you.